Do you want to connect your Apple Watch to an internet via Wi-Fi or hotspot? Then this video is going to walk you through how to connect Apple Watch to Wi-Fi. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, for as long as the internet access is not from your mobile data or is not from your Apple Watch cellular, you can classify this to be Wi-Fi or hotspot. Now, if you want to connect your Apple Watch to internet via Wi-Fi or via hotspot, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Apple Watch. Now, once you open the settings app on your Apple Watch, you need to scroll down the settings page. Just keep scrolling until you see Wi-Fi. Then, if Wi-Fi is disabled, make sure you turn on Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch. Then, once you turn on Wi-Fi, you want to hang on for a couple of seconds for your Apple Watch to search and detect all available Wi-Fi network. You can see I have one, then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a pop that says type in the Wi-Fi password. You can use your iPhone to do this. You can also use your Apple Watch screen to do this. So then go ahead and type in the Wi-Fi password. You want to type this carefully. So, and if you couldn't get this, you can also use your iPhone to type in the Wi-Fi password by clicking on share password, and then go ahead and type in the password. Then once you type in the password correctly, go ahead and click on join. Now once you type the join button, if the password is correct, then you're going to see your Apple Watch connected to the network. Is that? So this is connected. If you click on it, you should see forget this network. And the moment you see forget this network, that implies that your Apple Watch is not connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you can now go back and start doing whatever you want to do with internet on your Apple Watch. Maybe you want to update your Apple Watch firmware or software. Then if the Wi-Fi network is available, then you're going to see that your Apple Watch is not connected to the internet by either showing you that you have an update to download or Apple Watch is up to date. So that is basically how to connect Apple Watch to Wi-Fi. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.